Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Now, I was just here working on the solara. This is an update video on things I already got accomplished. Which today I did the rear coilovers, but I got cheap off marketplace. The front were used, the rear were never used. She sits low now. Definitely sits lower. I like it, but I mean, I didn't do the front yet. See in there. There's some suspension parts also. I don't know if you can really see. I don't got my light on. But yeah, I finally got it done. I had to take apart the whole interior of this. Don't mind, I got tools everywhere and stuff. Look at this mess. All the plastic pieces, the moldings and everything, yeah, they're in the back. Plus, I upgraded the rear speakers, which I found another. It was in my last video, the Polk 6x9s. Yeah, I got them installed. But yes, finally, she can go lower. I just measured it. I'm actually pretty accurate on just by, not by eye, but I measured it by what's that, measuring tape. So I just finished both sides. Look, I still got my tools out here, you know, sitting. You know, of course she can go lower, but Solaras are known to be high in the back. And another thing I got done is the exhaust. I finally got the exhaust done. Let's do a cold start for you guys real quick. Get that set up. This don't sound bad at all, guys. Look at that. She's coming, man. She's coming together. I went to the DMV this past Saturday, but since due to COVID and everything, they make you do an appointment. So my appointment to get this baby on the road is the 5th. So can't enjoy it yet. Not that I want to. Back seats are up there. I just wanted to do this video real quick before it gets dark. But look, she stands pretty nice, actually. You know, of course, look at the front. Front is all high compared to the back. I do have them. They're just tucked in the back with everything else right now. But she is completely done. All the back stuff I need to do in the back is done. Everything. See, now with the exhaust, you don't hear the all crazy in the front. Flex pipes all new. I actually redid the headlights, polished them up, and the fogs, but this one got moisture in it. And I tried to polish this out, but this didn't come out. It's actually smooth, but yeah, that didn't come out. But there's moisture in this, so I guess I gotta get a bulb. And for the fog lights, I actually got it's Krylon stained glass, canary yellow, so I'm gonna have yellow fogs coming up. I should have did it today, but I mean, I was busy doing the rear. Look, she idles nicely still. Look at that. So now with the coilovers in, they're one piece actually. So with them in, I should put the front in, but I heard they make noises, whatever. Talk about shot. Look at these. These are what came out. Yeah, they ain't no good. them things look like they're older than the car. But yeah, I'm actually getting excited now. Ready to take it for a nice little ride, but I really can't. I want to put some premium fuel in it so it could get real good fuel going through it. I got injector cleaner. I mean, not saying that it needs it, but just to get this system going real good. But yeah, man, she's coming together, man. She's coming a long way. And it's funny, I looked at the title and I seen the date when I bought it, it was 5/27. I'm like, wow, it's 6 months ago. It's been 6 months. I keep saying 4 or whatever. Yeah, it's about 6 months. But she's getting there. She's getting there, guys. She's getting there. You know, I got the tint that I want to put on. I was talking to my father-in-law about getting some of these little dents out the way. You know, they're minor little dings, and to prep what's around the windshield, the little rust around the windshield, get it prepped up so I could get her painted. You know, nice and quiet. Engine is nice and quiet. You don't hear no ticks, no nothing. Sounds a lot better. A lot better. This came a long way, guys. But yeah. Close this door up. Let me open this window just in case. I don't trust this car. You close the door, freaking doors lock up on you. But yeah, see that little dent? I want to get that prepped up. But yeah, not bad, not bad. But yeah, like I said, this was just a quick video update on what's going on. Now I'm just want to put these pieces back together in the back, get all the tools out, basically. There's something I put in the back, the what was that? Not the mat itself, but the other one that covers like for the spare tire. I got that new because the other one was warped and everything, so she's looking good back there now. But like I said, if I pop it, you're gonna be like, there's a lot of junk back there. Well, it's all my pieces. That's just moisture. They ain't smoke. Don't worry. So, like I said, there's more to come, guys. Just like, if you like the content. Oh, she was going in and out. You like the content? Let me know. Let me know what you want to. What else you want to see? I didn't want to, you know, bore you out with putting the pieces in. Especially, I had a hard time doing it because a lot of pieces were rusty or whatever. You know, as you see, this sway bar link didn't want to come out on one side, but I didn't need to. I left that one on there. The other one came right off. So yeah, this is what it is. Come on, focus, baby, focus. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. You know, like, share, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think. You know, like I said, you know, she's still got some. You know, the body work is the last. I want it going on the road. I want her on the road before, you know, I do the body work. But she's come a long way, guys. A long way. And she's not looking half bad as what she used to. Not at all. So, thanks again. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks.